So we're taping around the base right here so we can get that concrete edging done. So that's the next step. Episode 2 of garage makeover. Kind of getting everything out of the garage right now. Obviously we have stuff in here. We're doing final preparations. We decided to get this out of the way and just cover all of this. So that'll be step 2 here. Today is what we're working on. We'll see exactly how much we're gonna use. This is the stuff, huh?
That's what they say. We don't have all the best precautions here, so don't use this as a safety video. This is a public service announcement telling you we are doing things somewhat incorrectly.
Good disclaimer.
Good disclaimer.
This is not an instructional tutorial.
This is what we want on the whole surface.
So the secret is actually using McDonald's Sprite on the entire surface. That way you get the smoke, the vapor, the chemical mixtures, like we're in a chemistry lab right now. Now I'm obviously joking, this stuff is really kind of corrosive and serious, so we're taking precautions. Like I said though, this is not an instructive tutorial, more so a progress before and after kind of demonstration. So that's my disclaimer, don't try anything at home, try it in your garage. All right, so what we've been up to in the meantime is filling these cracks with some concrete filler, and this was the big thing right here because it dips. As you saw in the earlier videos, we're still waiting it to dry and harden, but this should create like a slope, and then we're gonna sand. When it does finally harden, we're gonna sand this down and make it smooth. So when we apply this epoxy shield, which came in the mail the other day, it's gonna be nice and smooth, and yeah. That's it right now. Next steps are sweeping, vacuuming this entire thing. We're just gonna spend probably 10 or 15 minutes vacuuming dedicated to the cleaning. So when we do lie everything down, it will adhere how we want it and get this stuff on the surface. So that'll be our next step. We're gonna do that tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. I apologize for the background noise, but the heater's on. We gotta have it be between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit to apply the epoxy shield coating, which we're doing today. So first step is just vacuuming the entire surface of the floor one more time so we get any loose particles, contaminants before we lay anything down. And then I've been reading the directions. It looks pretty straightforward. We're just mixing the 2 gallons like you're supposed to with that power mixture we've got over there, and then rolling out with the handheld roller for this stuff, and then a brush for the corners right around here. We're gonna spend about 8 to 12 minutes vacuuming just so we have a good peace of mind when laying this stuff down. Make sure there's not any dust or any crap mixed in. So that's what we're doing today. I got my coffee, I got my high spirits. We're good to go. So we are taking part B, opening it, mixing it thoroughly, and then putting it in this 5-gallon bucket, which we are then going to take can A and mix in afterwards so it cures, and that's it. That's where we're at. Oh yeah.
sticks.
Oh yeah.
For this real thick stuff, this is not. I would say follow that recommendation. That's probably spoken with experience.
Yeah, this mixer attachment on the drill, super clutch. I'll link one of these in the description. Find them on Amazon for pretty cheap. Just attaches to any drill bit, right? Or
variable speed drill bit's nice.
Yeah.
Or variable speed drill rather.
Nice.
All right, now I think we combine the two, right?
Yeah.
Every last drop, you never know. You never need that last little couple square inches painted.
So I just finished 5 minutes of mixing the part A and part B together. So this is what it looks like right now. We're gonna come back. We have a timer set for 45 minutes. With this temperature that we're at, which is about 65 degrees here in the garage, that's what it recommends for wait time, letting this cure, letting this sit. That's kind of it. I think right now we're just gonna go down to the beach and honestly have a beer, enjoy ourselves while we kind of wait for this to cure. But with everything finished, we have a couple rollers and then a paintbrush. We're going to tackle just up to here where this tape line is. After our break, we're gonna do about 10 more minutes of cleaning, and this is where we're at right now. So, like I mentioned, this tool came in super handy. Power stirring is 1,000 times easier than trying to do it with one of those sticks. If you want this attachment, link will be in the description for a cheap Amazon one. Again, this is like plastic, it's nothing crazy. Everything that we're using is gonna be linked, especially this product, the Rust-Oleum. Like I said, it's been super easy so far. Instructions have been simple and easy to follow. So I'll give you guys kind of an overall review when it's done. I wanna make it clear, this is not an instructional video, but I'm going through all the steps. Use it if you want to coat your garage, and yeah, I'm really excited to get this laid. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go grab a Bud Light and hit the beach while we wait for this to set, but we're gonna come back and coat the entire floor, so we'll catch you then. Okay, 45 minutes has passed. This is looking good. It looks solid. We're ready to just pour this out and start rolling, so let's get on it. I'm just gonna time lapse it and then kind of get back to you when we get a little break in the action, but using a brush, like I said, on the edge surfaces and then rolling out with the roller for everything on the base. Oh yeah, it looks good, nice and thick.
Consent not required to purchase. Message and data rates may apply. Membership automatically renews. Cancel anytime.
All about transfer of the liquid material onto the hard surface. So that's where having a nice dip in there and get it all balanced up on there. Keep working it back and fill in those cracks. Yeah. Let it penetrate down in there, let it seal. And that's the idea anyways. Soak it up like a big old sponge. Lots of theories on how to do it, you know, W's, X, Y, Z, I don't know. One direction and then the other. Bottom line is you need even coverage. And you put this much work into it, so make sure your application is even.
Technique for these chip flakes is to get up high and just kind of sprinkle like this. That way you get even coverage. You can toss them up if you want to. That seems to be what's working, so that's what I'm sticking with. All right, I got some wide angle action going. This is looking sick. We've just got a flake around here, finish up, and then we're done with what we're doing today. So this is awesome, holy cow. Guys, I'm super pumped with the results of this product. It looks phenomenal on the garage floor, 1,000 times better than the concrete. I know we're gonna get a ton of good use out of this. I'm super excited that it all went on smoothly. Most of the time was really prep work. This only took about an hour and a half to apply for what we did today. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new, subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.